we are going to launch and introduce much awaited, spectacular, biggest gift in Bonanza, known as Literary Club, the Eco Club, the Readers Club. Wow! Just you imagine, there is a walker, he is wearing Nike shorts, Adidas shoe, Bose music system on the ear, Apple wristwatch, and Louis Phillips t-shirt, Armani's goggle, and he is running on the track near some river in the green outfields. The very still image that gives the thought, wow, what an athlete. Wow, what an enthusiastic person, dedicated for the fitness freak. With this very image, when desire takes birth in your heart, यार काश मैं भी ऐसा करूं, and you start thinking about that, you start working about that, and one day you find yourself on a track that you are also running. This is what the imagination and example of a sports person. And now you come back to the another example. When you see some institution full of lush green trees, very good two students in their proper uniform, both are carrying two different books. One is of Vivekananda and the other one is Paradise Lost. They are simply not talking. They are turning over the pages, sitting under the tree and smiling, slowly and gradually turning over the pages. And after 10 minutes reading, both the friends are mutually discussing about the reading they have recently done. A thought process that is generated. They have invited the pure vibes in surrounding, and they are now exchanging the thoughts. The thoughts, communication with a soft, mellifluous voice, and they both get benefited with one book. Think this image. Consider yourself here as a reader, that you are a member of a readers club and you are walking with a book. With that book, the thoughts being read by you and being transferred, communicated, and that creates symphony. You would be considered as a walking, talking good angel. Yes, you take a guitar, simply hang around. The belt is there, you apply a headphone and simply close the eyes and just start softly rinsing, touching the holy strings, and let the sound be produced. And one echo, and you will find that you are attracting the nature. You are inviting the peace, and you become peaceful. Yes, my dear lovely students, these are the ways. You hold a book, you turn over the pages, you read one of the thoughts, just close it up, think about it, brood about it, communicate about it, and you will find one day that your impression is increasing as a scholarly person. May it be verse, may it be poetry, may it be diction, may it be thought, may it be anything. The books are the best friends of a person. Down the ages it has been and it will always remain. I would like to see my students from class 1 to 12, apart from their syllabus books, they once must pick one of the books of their own choice. It may be of fashion designing, it may be of art, it may be of literature, it may be of Hindi, Kavya, Sangrah, Kavita, story. The art of speaking, grammar, any book. And the moment you get a chance that some teacher is not there, or there is a gap, or lunch time is finished and yet I have a page and you see your image. I guarantee, my dear lovely students, that you will be coming over here and without seeing the paper, you will create the ripples, the positive vibes of good speaking. I wish to see in the Readers Club, in the Eco Club, some students from tomorrow, sir, I am carrying this book. Sir, I have this book and I am going through it. I am reading to it. How many of you, dear lovely students, can give me this gift? Kindly raise your hands. So nice, so nice. Thank you so much.
Principal sir, Director sir, Most Honorable Ma Saraswati, outstanding teachers and charismatic students. This is Mukesh Kumar Prajapati from class 12th Humanities, today standing before you to speak on the relevancy of the poem. No matter what the language is, but what matters, the fluency, the eye contact and the positive approach. So, I am going to speak a poem, a Hindi poem on mother. You all are requested to not focus on the words, but focus on the fluency and eye contact. My poem goes with, कल सुबह उठकर जब स्कूल जाना था ना, तो अचानक लगा कोई रोक लेगा मुझे और कहेगा कि खड़े खड़े दूध मत पी, हजम नहीं होगा, 2 घड़ी सांस ले ले। अरे इतनी ठंड और कोट भूल गया, इसे भी अपने साथ ले ले। मन में सोचा माँ रसोई से बोली होगी, जिसके हाथों में सन्नाटा होगा। पलट के देखा तो क्या मालूम था कि वहां से सन्नाटा होगा। अरे अब हवाएं तो बात करती है मुझसे, जब कोई नहीं होता तो अंतरिक्ष निर्वात वैक्यूम बात करता है। अरे अब हवाएं तो बात करती है, लगता है जब जाऊंगा तो क्या कहेगा गुड़ खा ले बेटा शगुन होता है, तो कहेगा दही शक्कर खा ले बेटा शगुन होता है। पर मन इसी बात की रोता है कि सब कुछ है माँ, सब कुछ। इस आज़ादी के लिए तो सारी उम्र लड़ता रहा, वो सारी आज़ादी मेरे पास है, फिर भी न जाने की धड़कन उदास है। मैं बचपन में कहता था ना, मैं वही करूंगा जो मैं जी जाएगा, और आज मैं वही करता हूँ जो मैं जी जाता है। बात ये नहीं है कि मुझे ये सब करने से कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है, बात है तो बस इतनी सी कि सुबह देर से उठूँ ना तो कोई टोकने वाला नहीं है। रात को देर से आऊँ तो कौन नाराज होगा भला, कौन कहेगा कि बार बार आप किधर चला, दोस्तों के साथ घूमने पर उलाने कौन देगा, मेरा तमाम झूठे महारे कौन देगा, कौन कहेगा कि बार बार क्यों परेशान करता है, हाँ राम में लड़का क्यों नहीं सुधरता है, पैसे का खर्च होता है तेरे क्यों नहीं बताता है, सारा दिन मुझे सताता है, रात को देर से आता है, खाना गर्म करने को जागती रहूँ, खिलाना को तेरे पीछे भागती रहूँ, बात ही ना तेरे लिए, कभी कुछ सोचा है मेरे लिए। खैर मेरा तो क्या होना है और क्या हुआ है, तू खुश रहना बस ये दुआ है, और आज खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ है। गम ये नहीं है कि ये सब को खुशियाँ बांटने वाला होता, पर कोई तो होता जो गलतियों पर डांटने वाला था। माँ तू होती ना तो हाथ फेरती सर पर, सर दुखता तो माँ लगाती, आवाज दे देकर सुबह जगाती, बोलती उठ जा। दिवाली पर टीका लगाकर रुपए देती, कहती बड़ों के पाँव छूना आशीर्वाद मिलेगा, अगला कपड़ा अगली दिवाली को सिलेगा। बहन को सताया तो चाटे मारती, बीमार पड़ता तो के नजर उड़ाती, पापा के डांट का डट दिलाती, परीक्षा से आधा ही खाना खिलाती। इसे नौकरी मिल जाए खूब तरक्की करे, इसे नौकरी मिल जाए खूब तरक्की करे, इन्हीं दुआओं में अपने हाथ उठा दिया, और जब तरक्की के लिए घर छोड़ देगा, ये सुनकर दरवाजे के पीछे छुप छुप के आंसू बहाती। सब कुछ है माँ सब कुछ, जिस आज़ादी के लिए तुझे सारी उम्र लड़ता रहा, वो सारी आज़ादी मेरे पास है, फिर भी न जाने की दुर्गम उदास है। बचपन में मैं कहता था ना, मैं वही करूंगा जो मैं जी जाएगा, और आज मैं वही करता हूँ जो मैं जी जाता है। बात ये नहीं है कि मुझे ये सब करने से कोई रोकने वाला नहीं है, बात है तो इतनी सी कि सुबह देर से उठूँ ना तो कोई टोकने वाले। और आज सफलता की हर रेखा तेरे बेटे के सिर को छू के जाती है, लेकिन माँ तेरी बहुत है जाती है। थैंक यू।
Presenting thought of the day. Good morning, rainbow. Rainbow twinkles soon. Pick 2024 finishing above Chivar the face the winner of the Tiviki versus Colombia was in the quarter final. I finished 164 points to take the 14th spot in the final standing. Bhakt and Dheeraj have acquired for round of 16 in mixed anchoring team event. Women's teams will meet the winner of the France versus Netherlands match in the archery quarter finals. Thank you. Have a nice.
वो भरत प्रस्तुत करता हूँ आज का सुविचार। पढ़ना भी एक वार्तापाल है। सभी पुस्तकें बात करती है लेकिन एक अच्छी पुस्तक सुनती भी है। धन्यवाद।
Presenting English thought of the day. There is no project like a book to take us land away. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Thank you.
Of the legends. So book is must. Your best friend must be your book. As a student, you should always read books. When you read the book, you get the knowledge. Knowledge comes with learning. And when you are learned, you become respectable. You become knowledgeable. And that helps a lot. So as Honorable Ma'am said, do give your names, show your interest. These groups are exclusively related to you only, for your upliftment, for your development, for your growth.
Director sir and all my dear lovely students, I feel very hard today. We are got gathered here in assembly to cherish and celebrate a new club that has been included in the list. As you all know, yesterday we have got to know about Eco Club, a literary club, and today we are going to understand the raw meaning of Readers Club, a club where we'll all get together and read amazing books, get to know about literature and the history, the world and everything that has been cherished. A book is not just a book we can turn pages and can read. It's a meaning, it's a thought, it's a vision of people who read books, who cherish them. Readers Club, as you all know, that reading conjunctivative process that involves decoding to understand meaning. I imagine our students sitting in group of 4 and 5, reading in a corner and having a deep conversation about the book and discuss in English. Imagine the topics being learned, generated, and the discussion natural without form comparison, questions or post-reading exercises. In our Readers Club, we won't only be able to glorize peep dreams, it will be reality, where we all share our thoughts, vision, and ideas. Many more ways to getting along and have mindful thoughts. As a part of Readers Club, we will get along and discuss further different topics and different genres of books, including literature, Indian literature, mythology, Indian mythology, classical books, and more sort of novels. So there will be further assembly events in future where we will hold, and I request anybody who is interested in Readers Club, please give me the names or Govind sir. So now here is a quote that I want to read. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. Whoever lives only once. Over to Govind sir. I will request Govind sir to come further and